In this video, I'm going to be talking about Spectrum Mobile again. And in this video, I'm going to be addressing the iPads and the tablets and exactly what plans are available. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there, guys. Welcome back to yet another episode on EB3 Tech. And if we're meeting for the first time, I am your host, Eddie Blotnicki III. And on this channel, I'm typically talking mobile tech. Today, guys, we're talking about Spectrum Mobile yet again. And was trying to do some research because honestly, I couldn't figure this out myself. So I had to go ahead and I had to dig a little bit deeper to go ahead and get the answer for the tablets and the iPads. So guys, we're going to go ahead, we're going to dive right on in here. So we're going to go ahead, for those of you who wish to bring your own tablets or iPad, you can go to the Spectrum Mobile website here, and then you can click on this Bring Your Device. I got it pulled up right here. So what you can do, guys, is if you want to bring your own iPad or tablet, you have to first check it to make sure that it's available here. So you have to check the compatibility, choose a plan, you get your free SIM card, and then you can activate service. And just so you guys know, and I'm sure a lot of you already know this, but if you don't, you have to have Spectrum internet service in order to even use the Spectrum Mobile network here. So we're going to go ahead, guys, under products here and under tablets, we're going to go ahead, and for those who wish to bring their own tablet, we're going to scroll on down here and you can go ahead and get that free SIM card here. So if you click on this, it will bring you to this page. So what you have to do is select your manufacturer. You got Apple, Samsung, Google, and LG, or the ones that are currently supported. Enter your IMEI. If you don't know what your IMEI is, you can go ahead and go on your home screen, go to Settings, General, and About, and that's how you do it on the Apple. For the rest of these here, they should have some different instructions. So just go ahead and choose what you got, follow the instructions, and hit Continue. And just so you guys know, the tablets do have to be unlocked. It says it right here. And I thought that was kind of funny because I actually haven't ran into a situation where a tablet was locked to a carrier. I've just run into that issue with phones. So I do find that just a little bit weird here, but I figured I would mention that. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to check on the actual tablets here. Let me go back. So we do have, these are the ones that Spectrum actually offers. The iPad Pro, the 12.9 inch, the 11 inch, the iPad Air, regular iPad, and the iPad Mini. So I'm going to walk through you guys here in case those of you who do not have Spectrum Mobile, you're wondering how much is it if I were to go to Spectrum Mobile to go ahead and add my tablet or iPad. So we're going to go ahead and take a look here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the 11 inch here. And so we have this option right here. We're going to do the 128 because the 256 is just out of stock here. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on Continue. And then it's going to have me sign in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we do get that notification here. Spectrum Mobile is available to Spectrum Internet customers only. So I do have Spectrum Internet. It's going to have me sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here, guys. And we're going to walk through this together here. All right, you will have to put in some personal information here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. We're going to click on Continue here. Okay, so this is what I wanted to see. And I'm sure this is what you guys wanted to see as well. So here are the plans, and honestly, guys, these are the same exact plans that they have for the phones. So they're not any different. You have the buy the gig for $14 a gig. You have the unlimited tablet plan for $45, and then the unlimited plus for $55. So here's the difference here. The by the gig, it's $14 a gig. The unlimited tablet, it's not unlimited. It's the same plan as the cell phone. The speeds are reduced after 20 gigabytes, which honestly, I don't find that very fair because other carriers actually offer the unlimited data for the tablets and the iPads, not with Spectrum Mobile here. These are the same plans that are made for the phones, just repackaged for the tablets. So it's essentially the same exact thing. So we can go ahead, and I'm on the actual mobile plans page, which this is what they are. If we scroll all the way down here, we're going to get into that little fine print about what these plans entail. So on the unlimited, if you do the $45, after 20 gigs of data is used, it will be reduced to a maximum of 1 megabit per second download and 512 kilobits per second for the upload until the rest of the billing cycle, which honestly, guys, it's not great. It is not great. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to go ahead and answer this question of what kind of plans were available on Spectrum Mobile for the tablets and the iPads. So guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, well, that other button still seems to work okay too. Maybe you've come across my channel for the very first time. You're thinking to yourself, man, Eddie, this was exactly what I was searching for. Thank you for the information. Then I encourage you to go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So guys, on this channel, I typically talk mobile tech. I go and expose all the cell phone carriers, and I go and dive a little bit deeper just to go ahead and give you all the information that a lot of people and the carriers are not telling you. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for your continued support. I'm going to go ahead for right now and let you guys go. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Much more exciting content in mobile tech. You got it, guys. It's on the way soon. All right, guys, and until next time.